Well, there's a local facility that has the latest technology when it comes to providing the community with the care that it needs when it comes to substance abuse.
Yeah, we're going to check back in with Dina Kupfer, who is learning more about their programs that they offer there. Hey, Dina.
Yeah, good morning to all of you. So if you didn't already know, May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and as we're about to close out this month, this is obviously a topic that can continue 12 months out of the year, right? And so this is a local drug and alcohol treatment center. It's called RC Alcohol and Drug Treatment Center, and it's in Rancho Cordova. This is a home setting. So you'll see there's a kitchen, they have a chef on staff, they have multiple therapists and psychologists and doctors and nurses here ready to treat those in our community who are in need of help from addiction of drugs or alcohol. And especially with the fentanyl epidemic, we know that there is a great need out there. So we have Anna, who is the program director. Good morning to you.
Hello, good morning.
Okay, so first let's just talk about, this is a facility and you have several beds, and it's co-ed and it's for 18 and older, but this is really a place where people can come to get through that drug and alcohol addiction. But it doesn't stop here. You have so many different people on staff. So let's talk about the people who make that happen here.
So yes, we do have so many things that we do here, and one of them is once they go through detoxification, it is we oversee the detox process. Right. And then there's a RTC, which is a residential treatment care. Then if they qualify for PHP, which is a longer care, they will stay. If not, then they will get transferred to sober living, where it will hold them accountable for clear tests and attending to meetings. And then there's an outpatient that we will refer them to, and where they will go to see therapists and continue their care. And it's ongoing care.
Yeah. It's ongoing, and you'll notice because it is a living environment, the idea is that they're going to meet these folks where they are, right? If it is somebody who is looking to faith to try to get past an addiction, if it's somebody who maybe is younger at 18 years old and it's family referrals, you want to try to make sure that you come up with a plan specifically catered to that individual's needs.
Oh yes, we do take insurances, and we do also work individually with the family to meet all their needs, because our goal is to help them and to help them out of that situation.
And you told me an interesting statistic.
Disease, and we have to work with it.
And with mental health, you also mentioned, you know, in a situation where somebody may be having negative thoughts or just going through mental health struggles, it's not necessarily as obvious as someone who has maybe an ailment that somebody could see physically, but it can be deeply rooted, and it really can lead to travesty in families. And so what's the end goal with this facility? What are you really hoping to do? And why did you get into this, by the way?
My husband's a 17-year recovering addict. And I could see the miracles do happen. He's still working hard every day on his recovery, because it's a slide. They take one day at a time. And that gives me hope, because look, if we all lived by one day at a time, if we know that tomorrow is our last day, how fully we will live today.
How can people get a hold of you if they're watching this and you've reached them in some way?
So our phone number is, hopefully will be on the website, and it will be like the easiest way for you to remember is RC Detox. Okay. That's our phone number. Our website is RC Alcohol and Treatment Center. So it will say rctreatmentcenter.com, and our Facebook and Instagram is the same, RC Treatment Center.
Okay, really an amazing group of individuals. They have a large staff. I know it's pretty quiet here this morning because we came in, so we kind of had to clear things out. But if this is something, as you're watching, as we round out Mental Health Month, we just want to make sure everyone is aware that this is in our community. This is right in the heart of a neighborhood of Rancho Cordova, and they are here ready to help treat you or your family member. Thank you so much, Anna, for having us. All right, back over to you all.
All right, thank you, Dina.